Crocodiles are large, semi-aquatic reptiles known for their powerful jaws, armored bodies, and exceptional hunting skills. They belong to the order Crocodilia and are closely related to alligators and caimans. Crocodiles are found in freshwater and saltwater habitats across Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia. There are over 13 different species, with the saltwater crocodile, Crocodilus porosus, being the largest, capable of growing over 20 feet long and weighing more than 2,000 pounds. Despite their prehistoric appearance, crocodiles are highly evolved. Predators that have remained largely unchanged for over 200 million years, making them one of the oldest living reptiles on Earth. Crocodiles are carnivorous and have one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom. Their diet includes fish, birds, mammals, and even other reptiles. Large crocodiles have been known to take down zebras, buffaloes, and even sharks. Their hunting strategy relies on patience and stealth. They lie motionless in the water, waiting for prey to come close before launching a sudden, powerful attack. Using their strong tails, they can propel themselves forward at high speeds, clamping down on their prey with incredible force. Their sharp conical teeth are designed to grip, not chew, so they perform a death roll, spinning their bodies to tear off chunks of meat. Crocodiles have unique physiological adaptations that make them highly efficient predators. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are positioned on the top of their heads, allowing them to remain almost completely submerged while still being able to see, hear, and breathe. They can hold their breath for over an hour by slowing down their heartbeat, conserving oxygen while waiting for prey. Crocodiles also have a special third eyelid, called a nictitating membrane, which protects their eyes while swimming. Their tough, armored skin covered in bony plates called osteoderms provides protection from attacks and extreme environmental conditions. Crocodiles are cold-blooded reptiles, meaning they rely on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. They spend a significant amount of time basking in the sun to warm up, and when they get too hot, they retreat into the water to cool down. Unlike mammals, crocodiles do not sweat, so they often keep their mouths open while sunbathing to release excess heat. This behavior, known as gaping, helps them maintain the right body temperature. They are most active during warm periods and can survive long periods without eating by slowing down their metabolism. Despite their reputation as fearsome predators, crocodiles are attentive parents. Female crocodiles lay 20 to 80 eggs in nests made of mud and vegetation near water. They carefully guard their eggs from predators such as monitor lizards, birds, and other crocodiles. Unlike most reptiles, crocodiles show parental care. When the eggs hatch after 60 to 90 days, the mother gently carries the hatchlings in her mouth to the water. Baby crocodiles stay close to their mother for several months, receiving protection from threats. However, only a small percentage survive to adulthood due to predation and harsh environmental conditions. Crocodiles have a complex method of communication, using vocalizations, body movements, and even infrasound to interact with each other. Hatchlings make chirping noises while still inside the eggs, signaling their mother that it is time to dig them out. Adult crocodiles produce growls, hisses, and deep bellows to communicate territory boundaries, attract mates, or warn rivals. Males often engage in spectacular displays, such as splashing water and slapping their snouts against the surface to establish dominance. Their ability to communicate through sound and vibrations plays a key role in their survival. Crocodiles have few natural predators once they reach adulthood, but younger crocodiles are vulnerable to large birds, big cats, and even larger crocodiles. However, their greatest threat comes from humans. Crocodiles are often hunted for their skin, which is used to make leather products as well as for their meat and teeth. Habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change have also affected their populations, with some species, such as the Philippine crocodile, Crocodilus mindorensis, being critically endangered. Conservation programs and protected areas have been established to help preserve these ancient reptiles and ensure their survival. Crocodiles are often misunderstood due to their aggressive nature, but they play a vital role in maintaining the balance of aquatic ecosystems. As apex predators, they control populations of fish and other animals, preventing overpopulation and ensuring biodiversity. In many cultures, crocodiles are seen as symbols of power, protection, and wisdom. Ancient Egyptians worshipped the crocodile god Sobek, who was believed to bring fertility and strength. In some African and indigenous traditions, crocodiles are considered guardians of rivers and waterways. Their deep-rooted cultural significance has made them both feared and revered throughout history. Crocodiles have survived for millions of years, adapting to different environments and overcoming countless challenges. Their intelligence, resilience, and hunting abilities make them one of nature's most formidable predators. Scientists continue to study crocodiles to understand their behavior, biology, and evolutionary history. Conservation efforts aim to protect their habitats and raise awareness about their ecological importance. With proper management and protection, these living fossils will continue to thrive in the wild, serving as a reminder of nature's incredible ability to adapt and endure through time. Eagles are majestic birds of prey, known for their powerful flight, sharp talons, and keen eyesight. They belong to the family Accipitridae, which includes hawks and kites, and are found on every continent except Antarctica. With over 60 different species, eagles thrive in diverse habitats such as mountains, forests, grasslands, and coastal regions. The bald eagle, native to North America, and the golden eagle, found in the Northern Hemisphere, are among the most famous species. Eagles symbolize strength, freedom, and power in many cultures, and are often regarded as kings of the sky due to their dominance in the aerial food chain. Eagles are carnivorous raptors, meaning they hunt and feed on live prey. Their diet includes fish, small mammals, birds, and reptiles, depending on their species and habitat. Some eagles, like the African fish eagle, specialize in catching fish, while others, like the harpy eagle, hunt monkeys and sloths in dense rainforests. Eagles use their razor-sharp talons to grab and kill prey instantly, often carrying their catch back to their nests. Their powerful beaks allow them to tear flesh efficiently. As top predators, eagles play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance by controlling populations of rodents, fish, and other small animals. One of the most extraordinary features of eagles is their exceptional eyesight. An eagle's eyes are up to 8 times sharper than a human's, allowing them to spot prey from several miles away. Their eyes contain a high number of light-sensitive cells and a specialized structure called the fovea, which provides ultra-clear vision. Eagles can detect the slightest movement in their surroundings, even while soaring at high altitudes. This ability helps them locate prey with precision and react swiftly to changing conditions. Their vision is so advanced that they can even perceive ultraviolet light, giving them an edge over other predators. Eagles are powerful flyers with broad wingspans that can range from 5 to 9 feet depending on the species. Their large, strong wings enable them to glide effortlessly for hours, using thermal updrafts to stay in the air without much effort. Unlike smaller birds that rely on constant wing flapping, eagles soar gracefully, conserving energy while covering long distances in search of food. Some species, such as the steppe eagle, migrate thousands of miles across continents, navigating using natural landmarks in the Earth's magnetic field. Their ability to fly at great heights and speeds makes them one of the most impressive birds in the animal kingdom. Eagles are known for their monogamous relationships, often staying with the same mate for life. During courtship, they engage in spectacular aerial displays, locking talons mid-air and performing synchronized dives. Once a pair bonds, they build large nests, called eyries, on high cliffs, tall trees, or remote rock ledges. These nests can be enormous, sometimes measuring over 10 feet in diameter and weighing hundreds of pounds. Eagles return to the same nesting site every year, adding new materials to reinforce their structure. This dedication to their nests ensures a safe place to raise their young. Female eagles typically lay 1 to 3 eggs per breeding season, and both parents take turns incubating them for about 35 to 45 days. Once the eaglets hatch, they are covered in soft white down and are completely dependent on their parents for food and protection. The stronger chick in the nest often receives more food, while the weaker one may not survive, a behavior known as sibling rivalry. As the eaglets grow, they practice flapping their wings and hopping around the nest before making their first flight, or fledging, at around 10 to 12 weeks old. This process marks their journey toward independence. Despite being apex predators, eagles face various threats from both natural predators and human activities. While adult eagles have few enemies, their eggs and young are vulnerable to attacks from snakes, raccoons, and other birds of prey. However, The greatest threat comes from habitat destruction, pollution, and illegal hunting. Pesticides like DDT once caused eggshell thinning in bald eagles, leading to significant population declines. Conservation efforts, including legal protections and habitat restoration, have helped many eagle species recover. The bald eagle, once endangered, is now thriving due to these conservation measures. Eagles hold great cultural and spiritual significance in many societies. They are national symbols in countries like the United States, Mexico, and Germany, representing freedom, strength, and resilience. In Native American traditions, eagles are regarded as sacred creatures, believed to carry prayers to the heavens. Their feathers are used in ceremonial rituals, symbolizing wisdom and courage. In ancient mythology, the eagle was associated with gods like Zeus, Greek, and Jupiter, Roman, signifying divine power. Throughout history, eagles have inspired art, literature, and military emblems, reinforcing their status as one of the most revered animals.